Welcome to my Barclays UK Bank Review. Find links to all products and services mentioned down below. Barclays, a leading UK financial institution, is known for its rich history, innovative digital tools, and diverse services for individuals and businesses. In this review, we'll explore Barclays' core features, who it's best suited for, and my personal experience. Barclays offers a wide range of services, current and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, loans, and investments. Their standout mobile app provides seamless account management, instant transaction notifications, secure biometric login, and helpful budgeting tools. The Blue Rewards program offers cashback and incentives on select services. A robust online banking platform complements the app, ensuring flexibility across all your devices. Barclays caters to a broad audience, everyday consumers, freelancers, and small to medium-sized businesses. It's a great choice if you value digital-first banking. Barclays is constantly enhancing its technology for a user-friendly, secure experience. Businesses will appreciate features like business loans, merchant services, and cash flow management tools. Their global presence, with multi-currency accounts and competitive exchange rates, is ideal for international needs. In my experience, Barclays excels in customer service, with 24/7 support via live chat, phone, and in-branch options. Most banking tasks can be handled online, making banking incredibly convenient. However, fees can be slightly higher than digital-only banks, so check the terms to see if they fit your needs. Overall, Barclays provides a reliable and comprehensive banking experience balancing traditional services and modern digital convenience. Considering Barclays? Check the links below to learn more.